Hello and welcome to this new module. In this module, we will be looking into infrastructure as a service, as well as a platform as a service, and also software as a service. So we would be looking into these three different services and their offerings. So finally, we will be comparing and contrasting of these three different type of services. First, we will start with the infrastructure as a service, and then we will go for the platform as a service, and then software as a service. So these are the three things we would look into it. So these are the common way of presentation wherever you go. Normally they would try to put it in this way, like in your on-premises data center you manage everything, including your networking, storage, server, that's your hardware, virtualization, your operating system and middleware, and your applications and data and similar things. But when it comes to the infrastructure as a big block, you will be only managing from the middleware and the applications and data. But whereas other services like servers, storage, networking, virtualization will be managed by your cloud service provider. And when you move to the platform as a service, you are fully responsible for the application creation inside that, the granting the permission, such things, including the data. But the applications are hosting only will be done from our end, and we don't care about the middleware things. And this is a responsibility goes to Microsoft Azure or any other cloud service provider for that matter. And software as a service is everything is managed by them, and we only use that application. Let's say you have Office 365 or Google Gmail or such things, or we just use it and we don't care where it is hosted and how it works. So if you are a developer company, you develop some application, you can simply host it into Microsoft Azure and offer for your end customers, saying that, hey, I have a software as a service solution for my application. So they would love to go for it, because you are providing in a higher availability mode. So there's three different levels to choose from, three different service types what we have here, and we will choose which one is best for us in the final lesson, and we will comparing and contrasting each of these services into three, and bringing up examples of certain situations where it would be best suitable for which service to go for, or which particular model is the best suitable for you. I hope this is useful for you, and catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.